paprikash chirka for dinner, and both boys love it. Good bite, Andrew. I think Grammy and Dad Night Mama would love to see this video of you eating your paprikash chirka, Andrew. And look at Adam's bowl. Adam. How's your food?
Don't hit my chair.
You almost done? It's our favorite. Andrew, is it yummy? Ummy means yummy in Andrewese. Is it yummy? Is it yummy? You like that. It's a birdie. Ooh, that's right. It's a birdie. Use your spoon. It's uborka. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Oh, Andrew, can you say paprikash chirka? Say chirka. Chirka? Can you say chirka? Good! How about paprikash? Paprikash chirka. Good boy. Adam, can you say paprikash chirka?
Paprikash chirka.
Good job. Ooh, and yours is almost gone. Good job. Okay, bye-bye. Bye-bye, paprikash chirka. Say bye-bye.
Papi.
Chirka.